Yeah, hi. So
Hi.
this is Ganesh from BRAINOVISION. We are
Oh,
an
hi.
edutech platform. I
Okay.
just want to understand what exactly FN7. So how
Yeah.
we
So
spell it? FN7 only?
yeah, FN7,
Right.
FN7, right?
So may I know
So
your name?
yeah, my name is Dinesh.
Dinesh.
So
Okay,
yes,
Dinesh.
we are the founding team of FN7, and so the whole idea about of FN7 is, so for example, you are a non-tech, like basically you have a non-tech idea, but definitely you need a platform to communicate this idea. And for this, probably the options that are available currently outside are either you go for you have your own co-founder, you bring your own tech co-founder, and you bring your own tech team, which will be costing you quite a lot, and it takes quite some time to build the MVP. The costing and everything is way too high, but the advantage that you have is you get a very customized platform for yourself. While what the other alternative for this is, you go to a service company and ask so and so, this is my idea, can you build a platform, this is my like basically this is how I want the UI to be. So still you will get the customized, but you don't have a support, I mean you don't have support after the like platform is made and shared with you, meaning the long term support is not there. So what we as FN7 do is, we want you to take to the market, we want you to go to the market as soon as possible, while validating your idea, like while like assessing what are the features that you need in the MVP and how fast you can get there. So FN7 is completely about, you see, we say 70% faster delivery and up to 90% cost effective. So how are we faster is because we use AI to generate the platform. We don't like generate it, we don't start writing the code manually. So AI generates the code. And how do we generate the code? It's because we have our own language. So
Right.
you see Helica and Helix. Helix is our AI and Helica is our basically language.
Right.
So Helix is prominent in, like, meaning it can generate Helica language scripts and everything. And the whole platform is like, meaning it's customizable in every way. Like, meaning you have a different workflow. Yeah, I mean, I'll give you an example. You can build an Uber on our platform. You can build Flipkart on our platform. Like, everything can be built on the same using FN7 itself.
Okay. So this is helpful for all the startups which is
Yeah,
coming.
yeah. For especially non-tech startups, like when non-tech co-founders who have an idea but don't know how to start
Okay.
and are wasting money using service companies or
Right.
using by recruiting their own tech
So
team.
how you are generally making the charges and any
So
subscription charge or
yeah, yeah, yeah.
something
So
like that?
we do provide both like subscription-based model and also a one-time cost model. One-time cost, we are approximating it to be around $5,000 to $20,000 in between that, like for the whole platform, including all the
For how
features.
many years?
Like we give continued support forever for its
Okay.
lifetime.
So
So
again, are you charging any other thing more like?
like basically the other model is subscription based model, where you basically subscribe to us and per monthly charge, which will be much lesser, and but you yield like basically it's basically subscription based model. So but in both the models you do get every new feature that we push out, like meaning for example FN7 adds a new feature, you get it. And for example you need something to be modified, then only for the modification you pay the charges. You don't pay
Okay,
like
okay,
basically
okay.
you don't pay any continued money to us.
So, is there any companies already started with connected with you on all? Any partners with you?
Yeah, we have. We have about 5 customers, like meaning who are actively working with it. So it's been only 6 months since we have started, like 7 months, and we already have 5 customers, and who are all, like meaning for one of the customers the platform is already ready, like meaning it's on dev. It's still being like it's going
Okay.
through the cycles, and this AI is currently in alpha version. So that means we are internally using it. At a later on stage, you will be able to, for example, you have an idea, you come to a platform, you just chat and you create your
Okay.
like you create
So,
your platform and
how
launch it.
a student getting an idea? Okay, how you generally help? Same like.
So yeah, first that's why we have made okay, it's not there over here. So we have made Helix. Helix also validates validates the idea. So you can just use the QR code to start validating your idea. And we are actually, as of now, we are running a competition, but it doesn't matter. It's a good I mean, it's a good validator. So it assesses the idea. It helps you coming up with what are the features that you want on your platform and what are the features that are needed. And based on that, you finalize like basically an MVP that you need to go to a market. And from there, you start the building platform building like workflow, like meaning workflow meaning journey.
Okay,
So
fine.
and like basically that's how, meaning guiding them what is the product market fit and how they should enter the market is how we help. And from there, moving the fastest that we can do is using Helix.
Okay, wonderful. And you are replacing many rings because the thing is that we no need of to gathering all the things, AWS, blah blah things.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
in
You
a single platform, we can do
and
anything.
the platform is completely modular. That if you think you have some security concerns, yeah, feel free to go wherever you want. You can deploy a platform. Like meaning, you don't want to use GCP. Okay, go to AWS.
Right.
Wherever you want your backend to be, that's where it's going to be. I mean, that's how much freedom we give. In general, it's not required, but we do give it.
Okay, okay.
So
It's
yeah.
very flexible and it's very scalable. And as of Helix, Helix will also compare your idea with the market players who are already operating in the market. So
Okay.
using that, you can actually validate your idea. I mean, how actually it will fit into the market, competing the already existing players. So that is the USP of Helix.
Oh, wonderful idea. So it's almost 6 months actually you have started, or
6 months.
It-
Like 6 months since we have like basically came up with the idea and started everything, recruiting the team, everything happened within these 6 months.
It's within the
Okay.
6 months, and now we are currently working with 5 active clients across
Okay.
the globe.
so now what exactly you are looking? More customers or more funding, or what exactly
We
you
are
are
looking to help startups even more. I mean, the
Okay,
startups who
okay,
are
okay,
actually
okay.
struggling to build platforms and they don't have much money, they are bootstrapping.
right.
So we just want to help them build their platforms.
Wonderful.
Currently, we
Nice.
are not looking for funding. Like she said, we are again looking for startups. So that our idea is initially let us make a few founders successful, like few non-tech co-founders successful, and then go for
Example is college startup want to collaborate with you and they need your help.
Yes.
How much generally charges? Like it depends on the how much it
funding.
depends
Yeah,
on
it
usage.
depends on the features and the idea.
Usage,
But yeah,
okay.
we a rough limited ranges.
It starts from $5,000,
Okay.
and like for the children, especially the students
Right.
who are actually bootstrapping it,
Right.
we're keeping it as low as 5,000, and later on it goes on. Like we can build platforms up to $20,000 also.
Okay.
But for the students,
So $5,000 for how many years or something is it?
It's a one-time fee that you pay, so it's lifetime. Like basically the
As you said,
yeah.
it's lifetime, and as well whenever they need any changes, based on the
Only for the
editing.
change they pay.
Okay.
and that too, if it's a major change. If it's a small
Right.
change, we can do it.
Yeah,
We don't
okay.
charge. We don't
Because they
charge.
can start from the scratch from your because if in case I'm a non-tech guy and I just want have a idea, okay, I just want to build Uber or something like that.
Exactly, sir,
So okay, you will help.
We
I
will
no need
help.
of technology thing or
You
no
don't
need
have
of.
to. You just have to give us your idea, and
Okay.
rest everything will take care of.
Okay, so you will build or from my side I need to build.
So right now,
Nothing.
like we said, it's an alpha stage. So we build it. Like meaning you specify your changes and everything, like how
Okay.
you want it.
Okay,
every,
right.
every step of the way, you are there. Like when every decision is made by
And
you.
how secure are ideas generally whenever
It's very
coming?
secure, sir. Like
Okay.
we are. I told you, we sign an NDA, and everything.
Right.
And we are already working with 5 clients.
Example, if I'm a edutech platform I have. So generally, if I started with you, in case if same kind of startup want to join with you, so whether you will take or
We
else.
don't. See, we already have 5 startups working
Right.
with us, and we are not sharing any videos or any sites or any slides of them. And whatever even we show it to you, that will be just the glimpse.
Okay,
We
right.
will not show the idea also.
Okay. No, what I'm asking is, I have an idea already, and someone also coming with same idea.
Same idea.
Will you encourage that?
Yeah, as long as like basically we don't share the like since we signed an NDA,
Right.
we don't share we don't disclose the one. I mean your idea to this. To
Yeah, right.
someone else. So it's always your idea is as secure as like it's like
I
we don't even
understand
know
that
the other person. That's
Right.
how
No.
it is.
What I'm saying is, example, I'm from Uber. So I came to you, and as well as we
So
generally
we don't take duplicate ideas.
Right, that's
There
only I'm
should
asking
be
you.
a USP. I mean, there should be
You're right.
something which is different.
Right.
We build unique ideas.
Okay,
Because
okay,
that
okay,
is
okay.
for our sake also. Like, we want to
Because
enter
the
the
thing
market.
is that,
and-
like, generally we collaborate with 1,000+ engineering colleges all over India, and we are encouraging now to all the college students to get the startups. So even we are also this program also we connected to many engineering colleges and ask their student ideas to come in, but unfortunately student doesn't know anything. So now we are going to every colleges and all asking, giving the seminars to colleges. Don't fear, there are a lot of no coding tools because you know, everyone fear about coding. That is the reason I don't know coding. That is the reason I couldn't start anything. So that what we are giving is, and this year onwards with placement sector and everything, unfortunately that is that much not good pace. So college, we are suggesting to colleges, okay, go for some startups or something at 10% or 20%. When student know what is a startup and how much cost it will be, then only they can start something. So that actually we are encouraging, and as well as like-minded people, we are making a hub, and so we can make a club each other,
I can understand.
and that we are making. Thank you.
So don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Only unique ideas are taken into FN7. No duplicacy.
Nice. Okay. So generally, we are making these all the things for